Well, I'm still alive and kicking. I survived the bomb cyclone. Not much damage. I mean, the little tree fell, but it was just like a tiny one. It wasn't even near me, so we're all good. Sitting in the van for a while. We're gonna go for a little walk. Keep looking down this road and figuring there's a trail at the end of it. It's like a 20-25 minute walk down to the rest of the trail, so let's go check it out. See what's down this way. Yeah, there might not be anything cool, but there is also another spot we can go for a little walk. Look for a waterfall maybe? Yeah, it's not too far from here. We'll go check it out. This is a heck of a spot. Wish there was an easier way to get in. There's literally a rope from there to about there, and it's like almost a vertical climb. Doing that in waders would be pretty difficult. It's not terrible, but I think it's doable. There's a few spots that I would be struggling to get my leg up, but I think it's doable. It's a nice little spot. You can even see some fish jumping up there. There's literally a couple of fish right there. They're zombie. They're spawned out though. There's another one right there. So if I stand like right there, cast up into there and let it drift down, might get some nibbles. I don't know. The question is carrying 2 fly rods and the net up the hill. What would be nice is finding or getting a fish and collecting its roe and using that roe as bait to continue fishing. That's the goal. Alright, first obstacle. It's not too bad, but when you're in waders, this step is extremely tight. Yeah, that's not the terrible part. The reason I was going for a walk is because I noticed Buddy was walking by with a fish the other day. And I was like, where are you fishing at, bud? This might be it. So here's the rope. And it's literally a vertical. It's like almost vertical. I don't know if you can tell. And climbing up this with 2 rods in your hand would be pretty difficult. Like even climbing up with just a camera. It's a pain in the butt. Alright. I think coming down is the worst part. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. It's just going down. Going down is definitely the sketchiest part. Oh, see, you can't even see where I just climbed up. And I was just down there. Yeah. Well, back on my walk and my little adventure. Explore Spiike here. So yeah, I should definitely do these more exploration runs a little bit more often because you can find little cool spots like that. And I definitely need the exercise. A couple logs to jump over. So now I found a good fishing spot. Fishing spot. The things you find out in the wild. A little handcrafted water wheel? Just off the trail here. This is like a well-established trail. I'm gonna check it out. And now that is a big tree. gonna be quite the hike to get back up though. I'm gonna be out of breath by the time I get up. My legs are gonna be sore. Oh well. Well then, I can already see fish from here. Oh, this is pretty cool. Found a good spot, and you can even see them spawning, like literally right there. This is a pretty nice spot. I'm gonna mark this on the map and come back here. We've got another water wheel here. This one's much bigger. It's quite the fascinating, interesting area to place some devices and leave them, and they're not that old either. Yeah, this is definitely a spot we're gonna have to bring the fishing rod for sure. It's a nice, quick, easy spot located close to me. I don't spend a lot of gas money going to it. I'm gonna slowly make our way up the hill here, head back to the van, and we go back to our original plan. We're gonna go back, look for that waterfall. I can't really say it's a waterfall. It's more like a dam fall. We'll see you guys at the top.
Continue on Capilano
The stream is haunted with tradition, teeming with a score of romances that view the grandeur and loveliness in which its water and perpetually whispering. Interesting. The Legends of Vancouver. That was pretty neat. Checking that out. I've never seen that dam before. And there's like tiny little waterfalls skirting off each of the sides of the canyons you can even look at. And the moss, man, it's so cool out here. I love living out here. It is definitely a different feeling, different mood. Everything's so moist and you can just smell the salt in the air. So cool. Having the time of my life, that's for sure. Despite, you know, hiding out in the van once in a while, but hey, everybody needs a little bit of relaxing time. You can't just go full bore 12 hours a day. And you're just gonna burn yourself out. So it's always nice to have a little bit of time to relax and play some video games. The tree's massive. Look at that thing. It's one thing about checking this place out is there's tons of like cedar that are just huge, like 5, 6, maybe 7 feet wide. And that almost looks like one of them right there. Like those are normal size logs. That's like a monster. It just makes everything else look like small twigs, sticks. Man, I definitely needed today doing a little bit of walking to get yourself back into shape. You know, that's probably one thing I should probably be doing is, you know, Even if it's an hour a day, just go for a walk. Even if I'm just parked, just leave the van where it is and go for a walk. There's the fisheries right there. So that's where they block all the fish from going upstream, and they divert them into the fisheries. Yeah, the fisheries is actually closed right now for construction. Looks like they're doing some renos or something, or repairs or maintenance or something. So it'll be closed down for the next 3.5 weeks or 4 weeks. We're gonna go back to the van. We're gonna find somewhere to park, charge the batteries. See you guys back at the van. Legs are killing me now. Well, not like killing me, but you can definitely feel they're a bit sore. I just definitely don't do that enough. I should really make that a priority in my life. Instead of YouTube shorts and Facebook reels sitting in the fan doing nothing, I should be out doing a little bit of walking. It's been good though, because I wanted to explore a few fishing locations off the Capilano, because I noticed there's a few that where people were getting to and I didn't know how to get to them. So, well, I mean, a couple of them I didn't know they even existed, but I found a couple of the trails that people get down to the other locations on the Capilano. Buddy just had a real nice fish on the hook too, so it's a real shame that I can't get one on the hook. I got some dew worms from Osprey Lake. I wonder if they're any good. Or if they've gone bad. They might be garbage by now. We can check them out. If not, I got some frozen roll in the freezer. I definitely want to put the hook in the water a couple more times before I leave the area. It's just a real shame that the credit card is just taking so long to get here. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go find a place to park. We'll see you guys in a sec. Well, I'm gonna enjoy my cup of coffee. I hope you guys are having a great day. I had a great day. It was quite an interesting little walk. Got to see the dam. I didn't even know it was there. I had like a sneaking suspicion there was like a small dam or something like that, but I didn't realize how tall it was. Man, if that thing gave away and all those guys were there and I was there, we'd be wiped out. We'd be gone. I would assume that the lake level or whatever is behind that Capilano. I don't even know what's up there. Maybe that's something we could have go. Wow. Maybe that's something we could go explore one day. Is we'll go up to the Capilano Lake and check it out. Maybe another day. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.